All right, hello everybody. On this beautiful day, look at what we got. 2 days ago there was no snow. And now we have this. We got all this yesterday. This all came in yesterday. Little wind, so you can see where you can see some of the grass there. You'll have grass at some parts, and then you'll have a 10 inches of snow at other parts. I got a lot of the decorations down. It was so cold yesterday, I had to leave some of the lights up because it was way too cold. I couldn't even bend the wires. So everything's in the garage. Just waiting. I let it all on thaw overnight. We'll start putting it away today. Look at all these lights and all this stuff. Our reindeer, at least it's nice and warm where they are right now. Another set back there. Started doing some of the decorations in the house too. Big day. We got a big day tomorrow. We're going to Ottawa, bringing our youngest starting college. All right, so let's head down to the shop, see what's going on down there. Then when I come back, we'll do the driveway. We'll clean up here, there, clean the snow up here. Look at how much snow. All right, let's start heading out. A little slippery out here. The wind is blowing. Little snow drifts. Walk around, see what we got going on here. All right, we're just washing up the interior of the trucks. Everything's done. They're finishing up stuff. So they got the big fans set up so that they dry out. Ariel's cleaning them all up, getting them all ready. They get dirty during the season. I'll show you the black truck, the F-150 here, how dirty it gets. It gets really bad. I'll just show you guys there. Ah. Ça, tu l'as pas fait, hein, Ariel? Pas fait encore?
Ben non. Je sais pas si c'est proprio de commencer ou a fini que Brian finit.
Non, c'est correct.
Correct? No. Okay.
All right, then. We're out of here. Everything is up to date. Like I showed you guys, not much going on. We'll look outside, see if any of those... See, some of the driveway has no snow, and then the other places has 2 feet. Look right here, it has about 3 feet. It has about a foot of snow here because you can see where he shoveled to make himself a pathway this morning since they didn't come and clean the yard. That's it for that. Got my insurance papers for the old Mustang that's in the garage there, the red one. I don't know, for some reason I don't know. I have to call them on Monday. They put roadside assistance on that truck. Imagine that. We've driven that car 400 kilometers in 3 or 4 years. There's roadside assistance in full coverage. I understand that, but some of the stuff there, they want $500 to insure that car each year. We were paying about $3, and since I had it evaluated, and they evaluated at 42 or 43,000, they want $500. They want $200 more. So I'll give them a call, see what's going on with that. See all the cars. Yeah, this all came down yesterday, right at the new year. Weather -4. It's probably around 25 Fahrenheit, somewhere around that. All right, let me get my seatbelt on here. See the guy doing the snow. We'll head up the house and do our pathways and clean it up a bit.